In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the shoppable videos widgets. So if you want to add widgets like latest videos to the storefront, and also to add the video categories to the storefront, the first thing we have to do is we need to install the modules. So for us to do that, we proceed to the store management section and select settings. In the settings section here, we select modules. So here we'll now proceed to choose the store design category here. So once we choose this, the first module we are going to set up will be the latest shoppable videos suite. So this is the shoppable latest shoppable videos module. So it allows us to add the latest video section in the storefront pages. So what we'll do next is we go ahead and install it. All right, so in the module settings page here, you see there is an important notice here. What it means is that after we set up the module, for this module to be visible in the storefront, we will need to access the layout, the theme layout designer. So let's go ahead and set it up. So we are setting up this module to show as a widget in the storefront homepage. So for the module name, we call it homepage. For the latest, that's for the heading, we say latest video. We leave the item limit to 5. So we can also specify the source category. This is useful if we have different categories in that's different video categories, and we want to be able to create different modules for it. So, but for this example, we are not going to assign any specific category to it. So leaving this blank means that all the videos will be included in the module based on the limit we set here. So we'll now proceed. So we can set the video as carousel, but we won't do that. We can add short description at the video, that's on the video on the latest shoppable videos section, but we'll not add it. So we'll set this as 0. All right. So leaving this, adding any amount here apart from 0 means that the video description will be shown based on the character number of character you set here. So we proceed. We enable the video thumb image. For the thumb size, we say 200 width in pixel and 200 height in pixels. So once we have set this up, make sure that the status is enabled here, and then we save. All right, so now that we have saved this, you'll notice that if we come back to the store design section and search for the module, say latest shoppable video, so you see that the module is no longer visible here. This is because the module is part of the theme layout designer modules. So after we have set it up, we'll need to navigate to the theme layout designer to be able to assign it to any of the storefront page layouts. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section, select settings. Here we select themes. All right, so we are editing the store default theme. So we go ahead and select this. So in the theme settings page, for us to be able to access the layout designer, we click on the customize theme button here. All right, so here we will now proceed to click on the menu here and select the layout designer option. All right, so we're adding the latest shoppable videos module to the storefront homepage. So here for the layout section, we select homepage here. So this will show all the modules that we've assigned to the homepage layout. So the next thing we do here is we come here in the install module section, we search for the latest shoppable video module. So find it here. So you can see it here. So what we'll do now is we go ahead and drag it into this section. So once we drag it here, we scroll up, we move it up. All right, move it to the top. So note that we can also edit it if we want to make further changes by clicking the edit module option. So this will show us the settings page. As you can see what we have set up before. So let's go ahead and save again. All right, so after we've done that, we will need to save the layout because we added a new module to the layout. So let's go ahead and save the homepage layout. All right, so now we've saved it, we can close the layout designer. So you notice that once we have done this and the theme preview page refreshes, you can see that the new latest video section has been added here. As you can see, it's here. So clicking on this, it will allow us to open the video. So you can see the video page here. So let's go back to the. All right. So let's exit the preview section. We can also see this for other themes. So let's select edit again. We change this to the expression theme. So we are changing the default theme and save. So viewing the storefront end, you can see that the module has been added here as well. So for us to further customize it, so let's go back to the customize theme section. Select layout designer. All right. So we go ahead and edit the latest shoppable videos module here. So here we can make further adjustments to any of this. All right. Can make further adjustments to it and then we save. So once we save, we close this. So you see that this has adjusted the settings for the latest video widget. So you can see that the video is now moved from the center to the left section. So viewing it in the storefront as well, we open this. So you see that it has been moved to this section. So clicking it will open the videos page. All right. All right. So one more module we can set up for the shoppable videos feature is the shoppable videos categories module. So this can be added to any of the storefront pages using the same method that we just did for the latest shoppable videos module. So for us to set up this particular module to work in the storefront, we'll follow the same process by navigating to the store management section and select settings. So here we select modules. In the module list page, we'll proceed and select the store design category again. And then here we search for shoppable video categories. So you can see the module here. So this module allows us to add shoppable video category as a widget in the storefront page. So what we'll do next is we go ahead and click on the install button here. So in the setup page, we enable the module. So take note of this instruction as well here. So once we save this, we will need to set up the module using the layout designer. So we need to add this module to the storefront page layout using the theme layout designer. So now that we've enabled it, we go ahead and save. All right, so just like the other module that we set up, you notice that if we go back to the store design category and search for shoppable video category, you see that the module is no longer visible here after we've installed it. This is because the module is a layout designer module, so it's part of the layout designer feature. So for us to now proceed to set up the module and make it visible in the storefront, we will navigate to the theme layout designer. So to do that, we come to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select themes. So we are setting up the default store. So we go ahead, click on the edit button here. So here we'll now proceed to click on the customize theme option. In the theme preview section, we go ahead and select the layout designer option here. So once the theme layout designer page loads, we will proceed to add the module. So let's wait for it to load. So you can see that the page has loaded. So what we'll do next here is we will proceed to add the module in the video page section. So to do that, we come here and select the video page layout here. So we're adding it to the shoppable video page layout. So what we do after we open the layout, we come here and search for shoppable video category. Sure, we can see it here. So this is the module. So we go ahead and drag it to the right column here. So once we do that, note that we can further edit the module. So you can see that the setting is still enabled. So we save again. All right, so after we've added the module, we'll need to save the video page layout by clicking the save button here. All right, so now we can proceed to close the layout designer. So now that we've done this, if we go to the storefront section here, you refresh the page. So if we open the video page, so this is the videos page here, you see that the category module has been added as a widget here. So this is the shoppable videos categories module that we set up in the theme layout designer. So clicking on this will open the general category section. So this is general category. So we can go back to the video page. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the shoppable videos modules and how to add it to the storefront pages using the theme layout designer. Thank you for watching.